Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Hulu step by step clearly. Identify your target audience for Hulu ads to ensure message alignment. Research the demographics and viewing habits of Hulu users to tailor your content. Create engaging ad content that resonates with your audience. Utilize storytelling techniques to connect emotionally with viewers. Choose the right ad format for your campaign, such as in-stream or video on demand. Set a clear call to action that encourages viewers to take the next step. Use Hulu's Ad Manager to define your campaign objectives and budget. Test different ad variations to see which performs best through A/B testing. Monitor ad performance metrics, such as click-through rates and conversions. Optimize your strategy by adjusting targeting, messaging, and budget based on performance data. Leverage Hulu's audience insights to refine your future campaigns. Experiment with retargeting options to reach users who engaged with your ads. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand to expand reach. Consider seasonal promotions or events to generate timely interest in your products. Analyze competitors' Hulu advertising strategies for additional inspiration. Use feedback from your ads to continuously improve future campaigns. Evaluate overall return on investment to assess campaign effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.